IKEA's flat-packed furniture isn't just convenient, it's a game changer for home design, and I'm about to break down why. Imagine stepping into the shoes of a furniture buyer in the early 20th century. You needed a new dining table, but the process wasn't just about choosing a design. It meant navigating a world where furniture was cumbersome, expensive, and almost impossible to transport without professional help. For many families, buying furniture was an ordeal. Today, though, the story is completely different. IKEA has redefined what it means to shop for and own furniture. Its flat-packed furniture has revolutionized not just home design, but also global logistics, sustainability, and customer empowerment. What is the secret behind IKEA's flat-packed innovation? How did a small Swedish company rise to global dominance, transforming an entire industry along the way? Today, we'll unpack the incredible journey of IKEA's flat-pack furniture, from its humble beginnings to becoming a household name, and explore its far-reaching impact on design, logistics, and modern living. In the pre-IKEA era, the furniture industry was steeped in tradition. Furniture was either handcrafted by skilled carpenters or mass-produced in factories, but in both cases, it had significant limitations. Handcrafted furniture, while exquisite, was prohibitively expensive, making it accessible only to the wealthy elite. These pieces, often made from solid hardwoods like oak, walnut, or mahogany, were built to last generations, but their cost and exclusivity left the average household out of reach. The Industrial Revolution introduced mass production, which aimed to make furniture more affordable. However, these factory-made pieces came with their own set of problems. Transporting bulky pre-assembled items remained a logistical nightmare. Imagine a fully assembled sofa or a large dining table. Shipping these items required large trucks, significant manpower, and considerable expense. For companies, these costs drove up retail prices, and for customers, it meant added frustration and expense during delivery. The shopping experience was far from inspiring. Traditional furniture showrooms showcased pieces in isolation without much thought given to how they'd fit into a cohesive home design. Customers had to rely on their imagination, trying to envision how a chair, table, or shelf would look in their living room or kitchen. This lack of inspiration often led to poor decisions or hesitancy to buy altogether. Even after making a purchase, the experience wasn't smooth. Delivery timelines were lengthy, and coordinating the logistics, especially for large items, was stressful. For urban dwellers living in apartments or smaller homes, moving furniture through narrow staircases and doorways was a nightmare. Customers also had limited options for customization or personalization, leaving them to settle for what was available instead of what they truly wanted. For many families, buying furniture was a daunting process. They either had to pay exorbitant fees for professional delivery services or attempt to move the pieces themselves, often leading to scratches, dents, or broken parts. Assembly, when required, was a complicated affair with poorly written instructions, missing tools, and lots of stress. The inefficiencies in design, transportation, and customer experience left the industry ripe for disruption. IKEA saw the opportunity and stepped in with a solution that would change everything. The story of IKEA begins with Ingvar Kamprad, a young Swedish entrepreneur with a knack for innovation. Born in 1926 on a small farm in Småland, Sweden, Kamprad displayed an entrepreneurial spirit from an early age. As a boy, he sold matches to his neighbors, quickly learning the value of buying in bulk and selling at competitive prices. He expanded his offerings to include pens, fish, seeds, and Christmas cards, always looking for ways to optimize costs and maximize profits. In 1943, at just 17 years old, Kamprad founded IKEA. The name itself reflects his humble beginnings. It's an acronym for his initials, IK, the farm where he grew up, Elmterid, and the nearby village, Agunnaryd. Initially, IKEA sold small household items like picture frames and pens through a mail-order catalog. Kamprad's mission was simple yet ambitious: to provide affordable, quality products to as many people as possible. The defining moment came in the 1950s when IKEA introduced flat packing. The story goes that one of IKEA's early designers, Gillis Lundgren, needed to transport a table but couldn't fit it into his car. He suggested removing the legs and the idea of disassembling furniture for transport was born. Kamprad immediately saw the potential of this approach. It wasn't just a practical solution, it was a game changer for the entire industry. Flat packing allowed IKEA to ship furniture in compact boxes, dramatically reducing transportation and storage costs. It also enabled customers to take their purchases home directly, eliminating the need for expensive delivery services. Most importantly, flat packing empowered customers to participate in the assembly process, creating a sense of ownership and involvement. However, turning the flat pack concept into reality wasn't easy. Early attempts faced numerous challenges. Some pieces were difficult to assemble, leading to customer frustration. Others lacked durability or aesthetic appeal. IKEA's design team had to rethink every detail, ensuring that furniture could be easily assembled with minimal tools while maintaining quality and style. To overcome language barriers, IKEA created wordless, visual instructions that relied on diagrams instead of text. They also standardized the use of simple tools like the Allen key, which became synonymous with the IKEA experience. These innovations ensured that flat-pack furniture was accessible to a global audience. By shipping furniture in compact, flat packages, IKEA saved significantly on transportation and storage costs. This efficiency allowed the company to price its products competitively, making stylish, high-quality furniture affordable for the average household. Customers no longer had to choose between cheap, low-quality items and expensive premium pieces. Flat packing bridged the gap. For customers, flat packing was a revelation. Instead of waiting weeks for delivery or hiring professional movers, buyers could transport their furniture home immediately, even in small cars. The compact packaging also made it easier to carry furniture through narrow hallways, staircases, and doorways, making it ideal for urban living. Flat packing had a significant environmental impact. Smaller packages meant fewer trucks on the road, reducing fuel consumption and carbon emissions. IKEA also minimized packaging materials, aligning with its commitment to sustainability. Over the years, the company has expanded its efforts, using renewable and recycled materials in its products. Flat packing introduced a new cultural phenomenon: DIY furniture assembly. For many customers, building IKEA furniture became a satisfying project rather than a chore. The step-by-step instructions and simple tools turned what could have been a frustrating task into an enjoyable experience. This sense of accomplishment fostered a deeper connection to the products. Flat packing revolutionized furniture logistics. By reducing the size of packages, IKEA could ship more items per container, significantly lowering transportation costs. This efficiency was critical as IKEA expanded globally, enabling the company to offer competitive prices in every market. The flat pack model also facilitated IKEA's entry into international markets. In Japan, for example, where homes are smaller and space is at a premium, IKEA adapted its designs and packaging to meet local needs. This adaptability allowed the company to resonate with diverse cultures while maintaining its core principles. Even IKEA's store layouts reflect its logistical brilliance. Showrooms are located above self-service warehouses where customers can pick up their flat-packed items after browsing. This design reduces labor costs and enhances efficiency, creating a seamless shopping experience. Walking into an IKEA store isn't just about buying furniture, it's an adventure. IKEA's showrooms are meticulously designed to inspire. Customers walk through beautifully staged rooms, from cozy living spaces to functional kitchens, each showcasing IKEA's products in real-life settings. This immersive experience helps buyers visualize how the furniture will look and function in their homes, turning shopping into a creative process. Strategically placed impulse buy sections encourage customers to pick up affordable, practical items like candles, kitchen tools, and decor. And let's not forget the food court. Swedish meatballs, lingonberry jam, and other treats have become as iconic as the furniture itself. The food court adds to the overall experience, making IKEA a destination rather than just a store. In recent years, IKEA has embraced technology to enhance the shopping experience. Their augmented reality app allows customers to virtually place furniture in their homes, ensuring a perfect fit before they make a purchase. This integration of digital tools keeps IKEA at the forefront of retail innovation. One of IKEA's most revolutionary ideas was shifting the furniture assembly process to the customer. What might initially sound like a hassle became an integral part of the IKEA experience. The genius of IKEA's design lies in its simplicity. Each product is meticulously engineered to be assembled with basic tools and minimal effort. Instructions are purely visual, relying on step-by-step illustrations rather than text, ensuring accessibility for people worldwide, regardless of language. For many, assembling IKEA furniture goes beyond practicality. It becomes a source of pride and accomplishment. Families bond over building bookshelves and beds, roommates celebrate completing a project together, and even individuals find satisfaction in putting the final screw into their DIY creation. This process not only saves customers money, but also creates a personal connection to the product, making it more than just furniture. It's something they built themselves. The rise of the IKEA hack culture is a testament to the creativity IKEA inspires. Across the globe, customers have found innovative ways to customize IKEA furniture, transforming basic products into unique creations. Websites, blogs, and social media platforms are filled with tutorials and ideas, from turning a simple Kallax shelf into a chic bar cart to repurposing a lac table as a floating desk. These hacks don't just demonstrate the versatility of IKEA's designs, they also highlight the brand's ability to empower customers. IKEA furniture serves as a blank canvas, inviting people to experiment, innovate, and make each piece their own. This has further solidified IKEA's identity as more than just a retailer. It's a catalyst for creativity. While IKEA's flat pack model has brought countless benefits, it hasn't been without its critics. Some customers find the assembly process frustrating, particularly when faced with complex pieces or unclear instructions. Missteps during assembly can lead to wobbly furniture or missing parts, adding to the frustration. Others question the durability of IKEA's products, especially compared to traditional solid wood furniture. Particle board and other lightweight materials, while cost-effective and eco-friendly, may not hold up as well over time. This has led to complaints about the longevity of certain items, particularly those subjected to heavy use. IKEA has actively addressed these criticisms. The company has improved the clarity of its instructions, introduced sturdier designs, and made spare parts readily available to customers. Their return policies have also evolved to accommodate dissatisfied buyers, offering repair kits and replacement components to extend product lifespans. On the sustainability front, IKEA has doubled down on its commitment to the environment. From sourcing renewable materials to creating fully recyclable products, the company has taken significant steps to reduce its carbon footprint. IKEA's goal of becoming a fully circular business by 2030 underscores its dedication to addressing environmental concerns. The impact of IKEA's flat pack model extends far beyond the furniture industry. Flat packing principles have inspired innovations in diverse sectors, including technology, transportation, and housing. Take bicycles, for example. Several companies now sell flat-pack bikes that customers can assemble at home, reducing shipping costs and storage space. Similarly, prefab housing has adopted IKEA-like principles, offering modular, flat-packed homes that can be assembled quickly and affordably. These innovations showcase how IKEA's model has influenced industries looking to balance efficiency, cost, and accessibility. No discussion of IKEA's influence would be complete without mentioning the Billy bookshelf. Introduced in 1979, the Billy bookshelf epitomizes IKEA's flat-pack ethos. Its simple design, affordability, and adaptability have made it a global bestseller, with over 60 million units sold worldwide. Customers have used Billy shelves as libraries, room dividers, and display cases, further demonstrating the versatility of IKEA's products. As environmental awareness grows, IKEA is positioning itself as a leader in sustainable business practices. The company has pledged to use only renewable or recycled materials in its products by 2030. Initiatives like buyback programs and furniture rental services aim to promote a circular economy, where items are reused, repaired, or recycled rather than discarded. For example, IKEA's pilot programs allow customers to return used furniture in exchange for store credit, encouraging recycling and reducing waste. These efforts align with the company's broader mission to minimize its environmental impact while maintaining affordability. In addition to sustainability, IKEA is embracing the future of smart living. The company has launched a line of smart home products, including app-controlled lighting, speakers, and blinds, designed to make modern homes more convenient and connected. Modular furniture systems that adapt to changing needs are also on the horizon, catering to urban dwellers and families seeking flexibility in their living spaces. As remote work and urbanization reshape the way people live, IKEA is exploring new ways to meet these evolving demands. Compact, multifunctional furniture designed for small spaces is becoming a cornerstone of their product line, ensuring relevance in a rapidly changing world. One of IKEA's greatest strengths is its ability to adapt to local cultures and preferences. While its core values of affordability and simplicity remain consistent, IKEA tailors its product offerings and store designs to fit regional needs. For instance, in Japan, where homes are smaller, IKEA introduced compact, space-saving furniture that aligns with the minimalist aesthetic popular in the country. In India, IKEA stores offer a range of affordable kitchenware and textiles, catering to local tastes and cooking habits. Entering new markets hasn't always been easy. IKEA faced significant hurdles in the US, where sprawling suburban homes initially seemed at odds with the company's compact, flat-packed products. However, by introducing larger furniture pieces and emphasizing affordability, IKEA eventually found its footing. This adaptability underscores IKEA's ability to thrive in diverse environments. And there you have it, the incredible story of IKEA's flat-packed furniture revolution. What began as a simple idea to remove table legs has grown into a global phenomenon, redefining the way we think about furniture, logistics, and sustainability. From empowering customers with DIY assembly to inspiring innovation across industries, IKEA has proven that simplicity and creativity can change the world. So, the next time you're assembling a bookshelf with that trusty Allen key, take a moment to appreciate the genius behind the design. IKEA didn't just make furniture more affordable, it made it more accessible, personal, and inspiring. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite IKEA story? Have you ever hacked a Billy bookshelf or turned a MALM bed into something extraordinary? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into IKEA's flat-pack model, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our channel for more stories about groundbreaking innovations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.